Welcome to Rent 2.0, The Basics, a mini-series I've created to help fast-track your rent-to-rent journey. And the best thing about it is it's exclusively available on Creative Cashflow Plus. So thank you very much for being a part of this community. So the way I've structured this mini-series is that each topic, each lesson I want to share with you, there's a designated video, 7 in total, taking you all the way from getting started, into the setup, into your market research, into sourcing and securing your rent-to-rent deals, into preparing the property through your rent-to-rent refurbs, and the final 2 videos are how to actually fill your SA or HMO depending on which route you are going down. I think this is really going to be of massive value and help. And the great thing about it is if you've got any questions, please head over to Ask the Experts in the community. Fire away with your questions. Let me know which video it's in reference to, and I will get back to you and give you further guidance and support to make sure that you can hit your personal goals. Thank you very much for being a part of Creative Cashflow Plus community, and I'll see you in the next video.